Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I want to show you that how to be the skinny in the Roblox. So I will show you the easiest method how to do this. First of all, you have to just click on the customize, and here you have to just click on the head and body. Click on the hair and select for your favorite hair, and then click on the skin. And here you have to just select the skin type, like I am selecting this one, and then click on the classic hair. Select any of the desired, like I am selecting this one. Click on the classic faces and select for the desired face, like this is mine. And after this you have to just click on the next option, which is the torsos. After this you have to just select here for the desired torsos, like I am selecting this one. And then click on the left arm, select for your left arm, and then select for the right arm, similarly left leg and the right leg as well. And then you have to just move to the next step, which is the build. You have to just click on it, and here you can change your body type. Like for this you have to just drag this dot toward the upward to change your body type according to your requirements. Like you can see that I have selected this body type. If you want to change the height, then you have to just drag this toward the upward. And yes, that's it. So yes, this is the same that how to be the skinny in your Roblox. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video, and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.